Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to increase the screen timeout in this device. Okay, so go to settings, then tap on display and brightness, then scroll down. Here you can see auto screen off. Tap on this one so you can see some options. Yeah, now the screen out timeout is 15 seconds. So if you want to increase, then you can select 30 seconds or 1 minute or 2 minutes or 5 minutes, 10 minutes or 30 minutes. Now here I selected 15 seconds. Just wait for few seconds, 15 seconds. You can see the screen will automatically turned off. Okay, you can see, right? So to increase the screen time, you can select 30, 1, 2, 5, 10, 30 minutes. So here I am going to select 1 minute. Now you can see auto screen of 1 minute. Otherwise you can select 10 minutes or 30 minutes also, like this. You can see. So simply in this way you can increase the screen out time in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.